How to poke someone on Facebook and what it actually means. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, we're going to see how you can poke someone and what that actually means. So if you've ever noticed the poke feature on Facebook and wondered what it's for, here's a simple breakdown. So let's first understand what a poke means. So a poke is basically a fun and casual way to say hi or grab someone's attention without sending a message. It's like a quick digital nudge. It could mean hello, I miss you, or even remember me, depending on the context. Now, to poke someone on Facebook, you need to go ahead and open up the Facebook application. Then from here, you need to go ahead and go to the search bar at the top and then simply search for poke. And then you can find this poke section on all and then tap on it. Then it will show you friends you have poked before and list of pokes that people have sent you. Now, if you want to poke someone, you just tap on the poke button right besides their name. If you want to undo that, you can do that as well. And then if someone poked you first, you can just tap on poke back. You can only poke friends or people who allow pokes in their privacy settings, and the other person gets notified that you poke them. That's it for this video, guys. That's how you easily poke someone on Facebook. If this was helpful, hit the like button down below and subscribe. I'll catch you in the next one.